Hey guys, alright, so I'm going to show you how Kangen Water, 11.5 strong Kangen Water, is able to emulsify oil, thus removing oil-based pesticides from your produce. So my wife and I, we only buy organic, okay? We usually shop at Whole Foods, really good quality foods there, you know? We like to invest in things that are, that are of quality, rather than quantity. Okay, and we got some organic cherry tomatoes. Okay, it says, you can read it, I don't know if it's too dark, but it says organic. Okay, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be soaking these in strong Kangen water, 11.5 pH. So we're going to pour these in here just like so. Okay. Here they are. This is the 11.5 pH strong Kangen water that is produced by our Kangen Water ionizer. Okay. Just going to pour it in there. Going to mix it up a little bit, let it do its thing. Okay. Maybe pour a little bit more in there. Okay. Just let that sit. I'm going to put that right there. Spilled a little bit, no big deal. Just wipe it up. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this. There's yellow already. Alright, so now we're going to let those sit. And I'm going to show you something, okay? A lot of people don't understand this because they say, well, you know, oil and water do not mix, okay? Well, this is water. Produced from our Kangen Water ionizer. It's the high pH setting, 11.5. We use this to replace our laundry detergent, completely get rid of oil-based pesticides from our produce, whole bunch of things with this stuff, right? And here we have some sesame seed oil, okay? The reason why we're going to be using a darker oil so you can actually see what's going on, okay? So if we were to use like olive oil, same thing would happen, it's just you could see it better with the darker oil. So we're going to use sesame seed oil. What we're going to do, I'm going to take this cup right here, and I'm going to pour some oil in there. Guys, try this at home with your water, your tap water, vinegar water, baking soda, well, whatever water you guys have. Now, if you have a Kangen Water ionizer, you'll be able to do this as well. Okay? Now, what happens when you put tap water or any kind of water in here? Okay? There's no emulsification going on, and the fat will float to the top. Oil is fat. That will float to the top. But instead, when you put 11.5 pH strong Kangen water, it will completely emulsify the oil. Okay, it looks like milk. You cannot do this with any other type of water out there. Okay? This is literally just water. There's no chemicals. It's chemical free. It's eco-friendly. This stuff is incredible. Okay? Now, it's only been, I don't know, a minute or something like that. These tomatoes have been soaking. I'm going to take this clean white bowl, and I'm going to show you what happens when you pour this in here. Okay? I'm going to make a mess here, but check that out, guys. Now, some people would argue, well, isn't that the pigmentation of the... Don't be silly. Come on, guys. Were they putting food coloring on this? No. That is the oil-based pesticides that are on your organic produce. Okay? Now, if you didn't have this type of water, you're not going to be able to do that. You're not going to be able to do that whatsoever. Okay? It completely emulsified the oil. So it's considered a degreaser. But it's water. It's chemical free. It's not a detergent. And it will remove the oil-based pesticides from your produce. There's nothing like this, guys. Invest in a Kangen Water ionizer and contact my wife and I, and we can help you get one. Have a good night.